as our ranges of full welding kits and ready-made half cages, we're now proud to announce that we're able to produce all of our half cages as self-weld kits. It comes with the hoop already pre-bent, all the rear section pre-notched, comes with the foot plates, the nuts, the bolts and drawings for you to be able to produce these half cages at home by yourself. So as standard, the welding half cage kits come as a basic spec. So that's with a single diagonal in the rear and harness bars. You can spec them up to have a cross in the rear with harness bars and a hoop cross, and you can also add gussets. If you're confused about what gussets are and you don't know what they really do, go and check out the gusset explanation video.